Helping, yeah.
Oh,
yeah, relax. Good. Get him off. Play the drive,
Yup, that's money. Back up, Aiden.
yeah, I don't know who's calling me.
Stop ball.
I hear him what's up. I'm trying to hurry to start this court. So they started. It's the only court that started.
Move your feet. Move your feet. Move your feet, Paul. Go, boy, go. Come on, boy.
Straight up. Hug. Pick it up, Bo.
Go, heat up, boy. Heat up.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
Hey, let's go. We on it.
Come on, Sam. Stick it in here, bud. Go, 12. Back, get back, bud.
Let it come back. Back up, Aiden. Come on,
Pick it up,
baby.
Sam. There you go. Behind you, behind you.
Get on the grill. Come on. Work, Wells. Make a fucking layup.
Pick it up.
That's
There you
up.
go. It's up, lad.
Hey, make the layup. God damn it, it's a layup. Kidding me?
Come on, talk on D, White. Up, up, up. Now look for someone to box out that White. Box him out.
Hey, pick up.
Yeah.
Hey, open it up, open it up.
There you go. In the gap.
Yep, ready to reset.
Nice, Alex. Go, go, go.
Sam.
That's fine, yeah, I'll think the timer is 8.
Hey, I know the offense will be wrong so far.
Come on, talk on D here, White. Let's go.
Randy.
Come on, beat him up.
There you go. Randy said you got any extra.
Pick it up, Alex.
Hey, well, make him play defense. Stay up. Right out. Good ball. Quit tipping it.
Box out, White. Box out. Come on, Charlie. Let's go, man. Let's go, Chuck.
Cutter. Good cut.
Green, move.
Back center.
Pick it up. There you go. Come on, Barbara. On the off. Let's go. Green. Look for the sets now.
Punch
Back.
There you go with that.
Nice. There you go. Come on, White. Get him stop here. Get him stop. Come on, Bo. Get him back. Come on, team up. Move off edge. You can't. Woo. Hot arm bar. Time out. Good work, boy. All right, good work, boy.
Stop helping. I just literally said that. Stop helping. Man, get off of you don't have to help. Swing
Take them off. Take your wristband off, man.
Just look at it, drive it.
Keep talking on.
Well, you got lucky over there, huh? Hey, you got lucky. First one. You want to do this?
Pick it up.
Nice.
D. Oh. Nice, Charlie. Get up. Nice. Okay, go get it.
He's open, cutters, and goes. Oh, wow, man. Grab the ball, man.
Come on, let's go. Tee it up. Get one here. Get in the gap. Come on, go. Let's go.
Stay home.
Nice,
come out the
Augie.
game. That's what that means. Come on, man.
Come on now, do it up, boy. Get another stop. Get another stop. There you go. Get in that gap.
Do it.
Oh, short. Alex, you got box motion. Damn it.
So your foul, they didn't call it on you. You know what you did? So when he was driving to the hole, your arm was way up here, holding them back. Okay? You got all this guard right here. You don't need to use your hands at all. Let's go. I got you.
Hey, stop stunning up your top shots and attack the ball.
He had his hand on him from the free throw.
Yeah.
You did have a right to
Nice, Bo.
Oh, that's us. That's us. Get it. Tipped it. He grabbed it.
Take it
Jump
out.
ball. I ain't need it. I got it. I got it. Don't worry. I just threw it out there. It don't hurt if you don't try, you know?
Go. Screen grab. Come on, go. Grab. Get up there. Set a screen. Let's go. Come on, Bo. Strong with the ball, bud. Strong with the ball. Smart. Way to stay in front. Hands out, though. Hands out. Stay in front. Hands out.
That's what I want right there. Set up, set up, set up, set up. Open, open. Straight up, Bo.
Hey, get up. Go. Guys, you got to see where the other team is. Come on. You got to know where he is, bud. Go.
Finish, young man.
Oh, nice. Pick it up, Bo. Nice hustle. Come on, kid.
No, 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 no.
Come on, let's go, White.
Hey, pick him up, quit clapping, man.
Let's go 54.
Nice, Bo. Pick it up.
Hey, this is where you relax. Hey, 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 open. You got baseline, Mike.
Come on, beat it up, White. Beat it up.
Bring him out. Bring him out. Bring him out.
Come on, let's play basketball.
They can play up. Now go.
Straight up, straight up.
Dribbling, Mike.
Look at grabs. Look at grabs. Hand up.
They're switching. We gotta make sure you get to the post when I saw that.
Come on, move. Come on, let's get a stop here now. Come on, Katie. Let's go.
Don't get beat. Keep in front.
Yeah, kick.
Come on, get back. Stop off.
Get up. Pick it up. There you go, Bo.
Hey, it's fine. Go, over it. Play ball. Talking about defense, not the dog. Oh, get a stop.
Make sure you guys are coming up. Coming up. Next thing when you see that is coming
To the room. Go.
Hit it. Hit it back. Forward.
Go ahead, get him up.
Ball.
Hey, come on.
Nobody?
I think he jumped over you.
No, it was tough.
He might have jumped over.
Yeah, don't talk to my players, bro.
All right. Talk to yours.
Leave him alone, man.
Come on, D it up.
Hey, Sam.
Let's go, Sam.
Let's.
Whoa!
Talk about that.
So, coach. So,
Guys, you gotta be helped.
D it up. Box out, Sam. Box out.
on a switch. You gotta get under it and get on a straight line.
Get back. Stop ball. They have no ball handler. Grab, set a screen one. Flare, let's go.
Look at ball.
Okay, finish. All right, get back.
It's unavailable, break. Hey, Nate.
Get up.
Back court. Hit it.
Beat up.
Shut.
There you go, B.A. Knock it out, B.A. More. Nice, good box, so.
Mike, you can sit here. Mike, let's go. Fight for the rebound.
Hey! 32, Sam. 32. Grab, 32.
Get grabbed.
Color. Move when you get to it. Go. Come on, let's go, Chuck. Come on, man.
Everyone's standing when he's got it in the post. Somebody's got to cut.
Y'all box out.
Come on.
So yeah, you're the one who got screened.
Watch up. What? All right, come on, get back. Beat up now. Let's go, White.
White, we got advantage now.
Come on. Beat up, White. Beat up. Nice game.
All the way.
Good D, Gage. Good D.
Gage.
Gage, good D, bud.
communicate the screens early. So every time you do that, you get ripped. Hey, Sam.
Good D, good D.
Right here. 15. 15 right.
Hey,
Go.
hey, that's better. I'm here with that.
You're right here.
Let's go.
Duke. Kentucky. Kentucky. Roll. Go. Cutters. Cutters. We're good. We're good. Jump out, dude.
Finish.
Nice.
Hey, Dion now. Hey, Alex.
Good job, Jake.
Mike.
Hey, you guys got subs, let us know, okay? You got subs, somebody here, let us know. Because you know they can't report to the table.
Proud y'all's faces. Green. Pop. Nice, Sam. I teed up, right? Come on.
We're good. We're good. You know where you're at. Identify it. It's right there. It's right there. Great. Make yourself available. Keep it simple.
15.
1-2.
Yep, hang on. 5, 4, 3, 2, hit it! Oh. Set him up now. Let's go. Hang on, hang on.
Oh, Mo. Move with it. Yep, let's go. Hey, use it.
You guys walking around for run right away. All right, come on, beat it up. Let's go, let's go. Pick it up. Good D, Sam. Good D, good D. Gap, gap, gap. Good D. Pick it up. Jump shot, grab the ball. Get dribbling out of it. Come on, White, let's go. Man to man, man to man. Let's go. Shot, drop back, Alex. Alex, you need to help it. Look around.
Hey, talk.
Good gap, Alex. Sam, gap. Come on, active hands. Let's go. He's open.
Hey, it's all day, Will. Let's go. Let's go. Turn me up. Sit, Michael. That door, ooh. Watch that cut, man.
We'll get it, Katie.
Come on, Axel, stand up.
Come on, Kaden. You guys just got a short call because of you.
You said yourself. Waiting for the contact. Because on the side.
Hey, Will, it's your body. That's what it is. It's good. Come on, man. Let's go. It's a good foul. Watch you.
Good ball. He's open.
Hang on to it, boy.
Right here. Call for it.
Oh, hang on to it. That's the back. Hey, come here. This is John. If I do it.
Hey, John. Switch, get under. Gap, Matthew, let's go. Matthew, you're a help first, go. Play the drive, Communicate right now, let's go.
Let's go, talk, White, talk. Come on. Come on, Bo. Talk, White. Hand.
There's a high post.
Hand, active hands.
Straight line, good. Push down, look around. Look around, Augie.
Hand.
Get back. Go, good. Get back. Oh, hey, get back. Pretty soon they won't know what to do against him when they ask you. Come on, get through it, Kaden. What are you doing? Under that, Kaden. That's simple, man.
Play the game the way it's supposed to be played. Stay there. Oh, Aiden.
Come on, tee it up now.
No bird. Early gap, Charlie, early gap, Charlie. Early gap, Charlie. Play the drive, Hog. Go with him. Your hand out, Sam. Hand out one. Help, Sam. Push it back.
Pick it up. There you go, Matthew.
Good move, Matthew.
Come on now, tee it up, White. Tee it up.
Come on, Hog. Off. Come on, Hog.
Pick it up.
help him. We'll help him.
Go, go, go.
Go get it, King. It don't matter if it's Paul. You're in the wrong spot defensively. Keith. You got Keith.
Never let the drive in the middle.
Help him.
Take it.
Straight up, Will. Come on. Straight up. Straight up. Whoa.
Hey,
Pick it up, Chuck.
that way. Guys, you gotta hang on to it now. Hang on to it now. Go, Sam, set him on. Sam, set him on.
Sam, set him on.
Sam, set.
Hey, Matthew.
There we go. Mike, do it. Hands up, Mike. It's coming, Mike.
Come on.
Stop off, Sam.
Come on, Charlie. Let's go. Be the stand.
Same.
Gap, Dave.
You're good. We're good. Open.
Watch out. Watch
Hey.
out.
Hey, when that shot go up, you can get the paint. Let's go, man.
59. 59. Get up. Take your spot.
Charlie, 59, let's go. Back, Sam. All the way. Sam. Who's got door? Go. That's it, John. One more.
Good way.
Hey, Jake, get up now, let's go. Come on, let's get a stop. Layup.
Jep, on your Jep.
Go to that.
There's the drive. Good.
Pick it up. Gage, pick it up.
Get on it.
Good house to white. Let's go. Get on it.
Come on, talk, boy. Talk.
Get it.
Oh.
Good ball. Back.
What's the back, Gabe? Protect the basket.
Jump.
All right.
Matthew. 32. Hurry up. Let's go.
Come on, Mike. It's on you.
I missed that one.
Come on. Straight up. Guys, you gotta tee up right now. Come on.
Yep, Sam.
Come on, White. D up. D up. Hand up, Sam. Hand up.
Through.
Yes.
Let's go. Get in your bag.
Come on, boy.
Hey,
Let's
Mike,
go.
it's on
Let's
you.
go, bud. Come on.
Back door. How do you get there?
Mike, it's on you.
Let's go. Let's go. Go, man. Go, shooter!
come on. Go for it. Pick it up, ball! Time out, time out, time out!
No, we got the last shot. No, we got the last shot. Hey, thank you for getting on the ground, though. I appreciate that. Let's go. Where we at? Back! Travel.
Knock him down.
Get him going. Get him going. Let's go.
Grab, Mike, shape.
Get in the gap. Get in the gap. Here we go. Watch it up. Nice gauge. Good D gauge. Hand up, Bo. Hand up.
Gap.
Step.
Block, grab.
No.
Mike, grab, go sit.
We'll get open.
Pass.
Come on.
Hey, that ball gotta move, bro. We too stagnant in one spot.
Come on, Caden. Make your free throws.
Just relax. Know your personnel.
Yeah. All right, come on now, White. Let's go.
Pass.
Good.
Didn't even need it.
Oh, that's out. It hit the. I'm about to say, it hit the thing, right?
Right. You gotta see that, bud. What else are you looking at?
All right, come on, White. Tee it up.
Trail him. There you go.
Talk to me!
Come on. On! And up.
this.
Let's go. Go where we at.
Come on, Trev.
Hey, go back up, boy.
Come on, man. Let's go. We need some D. Let's go. Be strong with the ball. What's up?
Box out.
Ball!
Hey, talk to me! Talk to me! Yup, let's sit there. Come on, we got to identify break. That's us! Yes, sir!
Come on, D it up! D it up!
You can base it, John. You can base it.
Matthew, come on, Matthew.
No, no. We're going to have to go out there.
Why don't we switch on that? Sam, why don't you guard him?
You don't get the ball.
Pick it up!
Eyes up, eyes up!
Hey, Will. That's a good take. Let's go.
Stop and get away.
Yeah, dig. Pick it up!
That's it. No shot. Take it away. See it. Stay home, Aiden. Yup, drive on.
Come on, White. We need to stop. Let's go. Get up on him. Get up on him. Come on, Chuck. In the gap, guys. You keep Chuck.
Jump.
Unacceptable, bro.
53.
Unacceptable. Come on, man.
Come on, let's go, White.
What's that?
Get the gap.
Stop ball. Ball, John. That's it, John. Don't give it up.
Well, come on. Oh, my bad. Hang on to it. Come on. Go!
Let him go, bud.
Guys, we gotta back up with one thing. Now we just
This guy has to
Come on.
guys, we're gonna hold the ball.
Go get Glenn there. Hey, ref, right here, right? Hey, ref, right here. Go, get your guy. Go. Come on, Mike, get more. Keep moving on. That's it, Mike. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. Hey,
Come on, White, let's go.
Play
Let's
ball.
go. Hang on to it.
Hey, stop. Oh, hey, lock down defense.
Gotta go, gotta go.
Get up, go. Run it.
Mo, get on.
Bravo. Get it. Especially you do aggressive. Go, get up, get on your guy. Let's go. Get up.